Hey everyone! Today, we're going to totally change the way you think about making documents. We're going way beyond just typing. We're diving into how to really master your work with LibreOffice Writer. Let's get right into it.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You spend more time just trying to get all the headings to look the same or messing with the margins and spacing than you do on the actual writing. It is so frustrating.
But what if I told you there's a much smarter, way faster, and more professional way to do all this? Yeah, all that fighting with your document, it's completely unnecessary. So, chalo seekte hain. Come on, let's learn how.
All right, the big secret to taking your documents from total chaos to perfect control really comes down to one powerful feature: styles. Honestly, this is the foundation for everything else. So, what exactly is a style? Well, think of it like a pre-packaged set of rules for your text. The font, the size, the color, the spacing, all of it. It's an entire look that you can apply with just a single, satisfying click.
So why should you even bother with styles? Oh, because it's a total game changer. Your formatting becomes lightning fast. It guarantees that every single heading, every paragraph is perfectly consistent. And that means you can finally stop worrying about how things look and just focus on what you're actually trying to say. The result? A professional-looking document every single time.
And you won't believe how easy it is to apply a style. You just put your cursor on the text, pop open the Styles menu, and pick the one you want. Say, Heading 1. And, bah! That's it. Your text is instantly transformed. And this right here just shows you the kind of power you have at your fingertips. LibreOffice gives you up to 10 different levels of headings. I mean, think about that. That is more than enough to structure anything from a simple one-page report to an entire book.
Okay, here's a little pro tip for you. If you need to apply the same style to a bunch of different paragraphs or headings scattered all over your document, the Fill Format tool is going to be your new best friend. You just select a style, click the tool, and then you can literally paint that style onto anything you want. It's awesome.
All right, our text is looking sharp, it's consistent, everything's looking great. Now let's really bring our document to life by working with some images. Now, when you add an image, you have a really crucial choice to make. Do you embed it or do you link it? See, embedding puts a full copy of the image inside your document, which can make your file size huge. But linking? Well, linking just tells the document where to find the image file, which keeps your document super lightweight and way easier to email and share. As soon as you select an image in your document, the image toolbar just pops right up. You should think of this as your creative command center for everything visual. You can do simple stuff like resizing, or you can get into some really cool artistic effects. And speaking of effects, this is where the fun really begins. Let's do a quick-fire round of some of the amazing creative filters you can apply with just one little click. You ready? First up, Posterize. This one reduces the number of colors in your image, giving it this really cool, graphic, almost painted kind of look. Next up, Solarization. This filter flips the image's tones around for a super dramatic, almost surreal kind of effect. It's very cool. And finally, check this out, Mosaic. This is a really fun filter that groups pixels into these little single-color squares, basically turning your photo into a digital mosaic. It's a great way to add a unique, abstract touch. Fantastic. So your document looks visually stunning. But, great work often involves other people. So now, let's talk about how you can collaborate like an absolute pro using one of the most important features there is, track changes. So what even is track changes? It's a feature that basically logs every single edit that's made. When someone adds new text, it's clearly worked. When they delete something, you see it crossed out, instead of it just vanishing forever. This is absolutely essential when you send a draft to a colleague or your boss for feedback, because you can see exactly what they're suggesting. Now, to make sure that whole feedback process is secure, you can actually password protect the Track Changes feature. You just go to Edit, then Track Changes, and hit Protect. You enter a password, click OK, and that's it. Now, no one can turn off the tracking or accept changes without your permission. The whole review process is completely locked down. And there you have it. In just the last few minutes, you've added some incredibly powerful tools to your document creation toolkit. Let's just quickly recap what this means for you. You now have the power of styles, which gives you incredible speed and perfect consistency. You've got a whole suite of image tools to make your documents pop off the page. And you know how to use track changes for really secure and efficient collaboration.
You basically have everything you need to be a true document master.
You've got the skills. You've got the tools. The only question left is, what masterpiece are you going to create first? Go on, open up Writer and give it a try. Thanks for joining me.